4 simple tips to help you write persuasive content. Writing content doesn't come naturally to many people, but there's really no secret to it. In today's presentation, I'm going to share 4 simple tips to help you write persuasive content, even if you think you're no writer. Number 1. Write like you're talking to one person only. We all want to please everybody. We want everyone to like us, but the truth is, no matter how hard we try, there will always be someone who's not going to be happy with us. This is why there's a saying that goes, you can't please everybody. The same idea needs to be applied when writing content. It's important that you have a specific reader in mind. Find out who your ideal reader is, and then write your content as though you're having a one-on-one conversation with that person. Tell them everything they want to know. Answer their theoretical questions. It will be easier to persuade people this way, rather than writing content that tries to please every single person on the planet. Number 2. Tell a story. We all love stories, especially when we relate to the story being told. This is why knowing who your audience is so important. You're going to craft a story that your ideal audience is going to enjoy and be able to relate to. When your reader nods along with your story and says, "Yes, that happens to me too," or something along those lines, then you literally have a connection. Being on the same page means it will be easier for you to persuade your reader. Number 3. Use persuasive words. If you want to persuade people, then you need to use persuasive words. Depending on your message, there are all kinds of persuasive words you can use. The top and most common words are A. Free. People love freebies. B. You. This word makes people feel special. C. Instant. We're in the age of instant gratification, so it makes sense to use the word instant to get people to pay attention to your message. D. Easy. Who wants to do things the hard way when there's an easy alternative? E. Proven. People are more receptive to ideas that are proven to have worked for others. Number 4. Use simple language. Some people think using highfalutin language is necessary to make themselves look important, but nothing can be further from the truth. As with many things in life, simplicity is key when it comes to content. You don't want to alienate your readers by using big words they'd need to look up in the dictionary. Use language that your readers actually use on a daily, conversational basis.